It doesn't matter what kind of hammer you have. Joe, what kind of hammer do you use? Anything special? No. It's just fiberglass shaft is what I use nowadays. I used to always have a wood one, but then after a while you keep beating on it and prying nails out and pulling nails with it. Sometimes your hammer handle breaks, and then it's a pain to replace it with a new hammer handle. It's tricky to do if you've never done it. Now I don't have to worry about it. I just buy this hammer. Probably cost me $7, $8, less than $10 probably. And you can buy other hammers, you know, real expensive. Okay, so anywho, let's get going. Let's get going on this. Oh. I was showing you my where was it? My cat's paw. What happened to it? My cat's paw. Oh, it's in my nail bag. Yeah, so I'm going to use this and this. Okay. I was feeling around for my cat's paw in my nail bag. It didn't seem to be where it was. Usually, I'll keep everything in its own rightful place. Well, lucky for me, this plywood is not nailed off very much. I don't even think they're, yeah, that one's nailed, but into nothing. That I got right behind the plywood. If that doesn't work, get your other nail puller out. And I'm hoping that head is big enough to pry out these other 16 penny nails. That one was. That one, they had a couple here that were bent over that strap. They couldn't get it in, and they just bent the nail over. Not supposed to do that. Mr. Inspector wasn't a very good inspector, because he should have seen that all these nails were in all of the holes. That's what you're supposed to do on a Simpson. This is a Simpson strong back or strong plate or something. All of them are supposed to be nailed, and if you have any bent ones, you're supposed to take them out and put a new nail in. I got my earplugs on and stuff. So I just have to pull these out a little. Then I can get them pulled out with my other bar. I don't know if you can see this part. I wasn't even going to show this part, but hey, might as well. Some of these nails, like that one, don't seem to be going into anything. When I get done, I've always got extra nails. I've got some framing nails, these vinyl sinkers, 16 vinyl sinkers, and I'll have to put these nails back in. And it's funny, in there I can hear the leaves and stuff. And here's something else I didn't think about. You might have already thought about it. It's a stucco house, and if where that vent is that goes outside, where this exhaust piping is attached to, if that flap's not there, and if it's just wide open, it could have been possible that a rat climbed up the side of the house, went in through the exhaust pipe, climbed all the way through here, and made his nest. That's a possibility too. Maybe it's not open from down below. You know, I won't know that until I get in there, but that's something, when I get done with the job, it's something I'm going to certainly have to check out, right? I didn't even think about that. Well, if you did, give yourself 2 points. Got one stubborn nail right there. I think I'll have to get these nails up above first. That way I'll have enough slop to then get that one. I can pull this back a little bit and get the last remaining nails that way. See, I got one down lower that I was having a little bit hard time, and that's because I don't think it was missing. I think it was missing the 2x6. Okay, got that. And this piece of plywood is almost loose. See, now I can take this and just kind of bend it out of the way. Bend it out of the way, Jose. And hope that it doesn't break. So far, so good. Look at that. There's hardly, it's like somebody tacked this up. And like I say, it's probably a shear wall and it should have been nailed off better. It looks like it was only tacked off. And Mr. Inspector, I'll give you another D- for not checking this nailing out. And another D-.